You are live. Okay, I'm live. So, guys, welcome once again to another episode of Scott Talks Law. So, we are on live and we're going to talk about company law. We're going to talk about corporate securities. So, you can get in touch with me. You can ask questions through the comment section, and I respond to those questions. Those who are joining, keep joining. Get in touch. Let us learn corporate securities. So, we shall start by defining what security is. And security is just form of debt instrument or equity. So a form of debt instruments or equity is referred to as security. Any form of debt instrument actually referred to as security. So corporate security is a share of financial instrument. A share of financial instrument that is contained in the book of corporation. So a share of these financial instruments is referred to as corporate securities, and these shares are contained in the books of corporation. The content in the books of corporation is the content of owners of these shares, and the registration of owners of these shares is contained in that book of corporation. So corporate securities are shares of financial instruments that are contained in the books of corporation, and the registered owners of these shares are the ones who are contained in the books of corporation. And examples of these corporate security, these financial instruments, security instruments like bonds, instruments like notes, instruments like debentures, instruments like debentures and stocks. So these instruments are contained in the books of corporation. So you've got types of securities that you're going to look at in this episode. There are types of securities like debt, equity, hybrid securities, and derivatives. So before we look at the types of securities, it's important that we know or we talk about the capital market. And capital market is that forum whereby security is traded, the buying and selling of security. And capital market provides that of capital that enables those people who trade in securities to carry on their business, the buying and selling of activities, goods, services, securities. So the capital security is regulated, should be regulated by the state actually. And under regulation, it's important that you go and look at the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya, just to know how these capital securities are regulated. So Capital Market Security of Kenya will help you to know how these securities are being regulated. So go and look at the objective of this Capital Market Authority, the board of membership of this Capital Market Authority. Who are the members? Why was it in place? What was it of this objective? What are the enabling legislations? What are the composition of this board? What is the composition? What is the regulation and development of this capital market? Go and look at the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya to help you to understand. So let us go and talk about the types of securities. So types of securities, let's start with debt. And debt is a type of a debt security is a security. Debt security is that security that provides evidence that debt is being held by a debtor. So debt security are those types of security that provides the evidence that a particular debt is being held by a debtor. So you've got types of debt. You've got those before these are considered as contractual. We just have those types of debt that are government debt, government bonds, corporate bonds, certified certificate of deposit, CDs, the municipal bonds, and the preferred stocks. So that those are the types of debt. But debts can also come in forms of collateral, and when they come in form of collateral, there are those they are include collateralized debt obligation, the CDOs, collateralized mortgage obligation, the mortgage-backed securities issued by the government, and the zero coupon security and the National Mortgage Association. So other types of debts include bills, bonds, notes, commercial papers, the debentures, assets, and backed securities. So another type of security is equity security, and equity security is just like shares, and equity security includes the share of profits that shareholders have within a particular company or a total sum of assets within a particular company when this company comes into liquidation. So when this company comes into liquidation, the particular shares that were being held with that residual value of that particular company's assets will be distributed to the shareholders, and that is what is referred to as equity. So we've got also dividends, and these are shares of profit or distribution of profit to shareholders. The profit of distributed, the issue price, the redemption price, the maturity date, coupon rate, and the currency of denomination. Those are the salient features of debt. Are we on really online or this thing is not recording? I'm not so sure. But let me assume that we are online. So we also have debentures, and debentures are another type of debt secured only by a debtor by debtor's earning power